My name is Dr. Lilly, and today I'll talk about neck stretching exercises. Neck stretching exercises are very important, and they're very important in case you had any kind of neck injury, you have neck pain, you had a motor vehicle accident, or if you have a headache, or simply if you're dealing with poor postural control. So today I'll cover 3 neck stretching exercises, and I'll talk about how to stretch upper trap, how to stretch levator muscle, and how to stretch scalene muscle. Upper trap muscle is the muscle that sits actually on the top of your shoulder. It very often gets really tight from overuse because of the stress or because of the injury. It can have some trigger points and it can cause headaches. So to stretch upper trap, you need to tilt your neck to the side. And I like holding my opposite arm behind the back to apply a little bit of tension, a little bit of extra tension. And you can start just simply by tilting your neck to the side and holding there for 30 seconds. But if you can tolerate a little bit of overpressure, I would actually prefer overpressure with the opposite arm. So you can hold that overpressure for 30 seconds or 10 deep breaths. And then do the same on the opposite side. Again, arm behind the back, neck tilted to the side, ear to your shoulder, a little bit of overpressure on the top. Hold there for 30 seconds or 10 deep breaths. I like alternating sides, so I'll do stretching to the right side, stretching to the left side, and I alternate left and right, 3 sets of 30 seconds. So second exercise is scaling stretch. Scaling gets really tight in people who have forward head posture, who work on a computer a lot, or people who actually just slouch when they sit, or in individuals who had a motor vehicle accident. So those muscles actually have some scarring. So to stretch this muscle, we need to keep collarbone down because this muscle is actually attaching to the collarbone, and it has ability of pulling collarbone up with stretching. Therefore, we have to keep it down. So like crossing my hands like this, applying downward pressure on a collarbone, and then rotating neck to one side, side bending and extending. It almost looks like looking over your head in an opposite corner. I also call this stretch angel stretch because it looks like angel. And holding there for 30 seconds or 10 deep breaths. And then I'll do the opposite side, the same thing, like side bend, rotate, extend, look in the opposite corner, over your head, hold that collarbone down, and stretch. So you should feel the stretch here on the front of your neck. Hold there for 30 seconds or 10 deep breaths. So this exercise is really good in people who have numbness and tingling in their fingers as well. So I'll repeat stretch 3 times, and I will alternate left and right side, and just in case, and hold for 30 seconds, but just in case when we have dizziness, then I'll actually hold for shorter amount of time, like in between 15 and 20 seconds. So the third stretch is levator stretch. Levator muscle is sits in between the shoulder blade and neck, and to stretch this muscle we need to position the head in diagonal position, like almost like nose in armpit position. Again, I like holding arm behind the back to open up shoulder a little bit, and nose in the opposite armpit, and then I'll use opposite arm to apply a little bit of tension in diagonal direction. So hold there for 30 seconds or 10 deep breaths. And then I'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Again, arm behind the back, nose in armpit, apply pressure in diagonal direction, hold there for 30 seconds or 10 deep breaths. And again, I'll repeat 3 times, and I'll alternate left and right side to get a good stretch. So those exercises I will repeat twice a day. So 3 sets of 30 seconds should be done twice a day for good neck stretching. Thank you very much. Bye.